Tatanka, is that your house? What's in there? What's in there? Is there a biscuit in there? Oh boy, Tatanka. Get the biscuit. Tatanka, where's your bone? Did you see your bone? Go see your bone. Go get it. I see it. I think I'm gonna get it. Let's go see. Where'd you put it? Where'd you put it? Where'd you put the bone? Huh? Did you lose your bone? Did you lose it? Where'd it go? Sit. Come here, sit down. Sit down. Where's your paw? Can you give me your paw? Come on. Come on. You give me your... Oh, no. Sit. Sit. Come on. Where's that paw? Give me the paw. Come on. Thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. No barking. That doesn't look good on film. Okay, I'm gonna go get you something, okay? Would you like a biscuit? What would you like? Is Boz coming over? Is your friend Boz coming? Maybe. Maybe later. Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna go get you something. All right?